Hi, this is Miss Taylor, and today I'm shooting a quick tutorial on how to log into your schooling's account to access your transcript. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You don't have to come through me to gain access to this document, so this is how you do that. So you're going to log in first to your schooling's account. Over to the left, you'll see student, click on student. You'll scroll down to the record requests option. In the center of the screen, you'll see this download unofficial transcript. So you'll just press this button, go through these windows, click download, and then you'll gain access to your transcript. You can click over here, and then you'll have access to an electronic copy of your transcript where you can save to your computer, or you can print out, or you can email to anyone who's requesting an unofficial copy of your transcript. So quickly, let me talk about that. Unofficial means that it's a transcript that you are sending to the recipient yourself. If you want the transcript to be considered official, it has to be sent from an authorized official at our campus directly to the recipient. If you want to do that and you are not a senior, you're going to click here where it says send official transcript, and you're going to go through the different windows to select the destination, fill in the prompts with with the information of the organization, name, receiver name, email, and any message here that you want for the person who's going to be fulfilling your request to know, and then you'll click the send transcript button. And this is how you send transcripts to anyone other than a senior who is sending out records for college. That process is discussed on a different video that's within our tutorial video library. So thank you again. So I'm going to go real quick. Once you log in, you'll be on the home page. B, go to the student. C, access and download your transcript. As easy as ABC. Alrighty, thank you, and I hope this helps.